That full synthetic oil you just bought, it might be a waste of money that's slowly killing your engine. Today, we're cutting through all that noise. We're putting 5 of the biggest names in synthetic oil under the microscope so you'll know exactly which oil is right for your car and never waste another dollar again. If you want the ultimate inconvenience, this is your champion. Mobil 1 Extended Performance guarantees protection for up to 20,000 miles or 1 full year. It uses a resilient formula that's perfect for modern cars, especially those with turbos, that can handle heat and stress for an incredibly long time. It's the best set it and forget it option on the market. Check the description below to grab it at the best price. If you have a high-performance car or a truck that does a lot of towing, you need strength under extreme pressure. Castrol's answer is its fluid titanium technology, which physically changes its structure to get stronger at high pressure points, cutting down on friction that robs you of power. This oil is engineered specifically to take the punishment of a hard-working engine. Check the description below to grab it at the best price. Once your engine crosses 75,000 miles, its needs change. Seals can harden and cause leaks. Mobil 1 High Mileage is designed for this. It takes the trusted protection of Mobil 1 and adds special seal conditioners. These additives help soften old, brittle seals to slow or even stop annoying oil leaks and reduce oil consumption. Check the description below to grab it at the best price. This is another fantastic option for engines with over 75,000 miles. Castrol Edge High Mileage combines its signature strength technology with a powerful dose of seal conditioners to fight leaks and reduce oil burning. It also features phosphorus replacement technology designed to protect the catalytic converter and preserve the life of your emission system. Many users swear it makes their older engines run noticeably quieter and smoother. Check the description below to grab it at the best price. For the enthusiast who wants the absolute best for their high-mileage vehicle, there's Royal Purple HMX. It uses a proprietary additive called Cinerlec that creates an incredibly strong, slippery film on metal parts. The company claims this not only reduces wear, but can also restore lost performance and clean out deposits, making it a premium choice for an aging performance car or work truck. Check the description below to grab it at the best price. Alright, I want to hear from you. What oil are you using? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. And if this guide helped you, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Also, don't forget to check the description for links. Thanks for watching.